it's hashtag TriviaTuesday at the Colorado Railroad Museum. This video, our question is, which Colorado Railroad partnered with the Colorado Agricultural College, now known as Colorado State University, to bring potato trains to Western Colorado? Don't know the answer? Read our latest Dining on the Rails article online to find out. A link is included in the description below. Have a great trivia question you'd like us to feature? Send it into the museum at info@crrm.org for consideration. We received one correct answer, and our winner from last question is Loona, who responded on YouTube.
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.